this is a perfect news for people that have not subscribed to Grok and for people that do not want to subscribe to Grok or any other app that requires subscription. I'm going to show you how you can still animate your video and make it talk using a completely free tool. Let me show you this tool that is beautiful and still free. So you can hop on it now and start using it, because very soon nobody knows, they can actually remove the free ones and make it completely paid. So jump on it right now and start exploring and creating your videos now that this one is still free. Most of you take time to do these things. Before you are ready, it is now paid. So now use this one that I'm showing you right now. Start creating your videos. Even if you don't want to post the videos now, create it. Follow the steps that I will show you from A to Z, how you can get your prompt, generate your image, and make it a video that is talking. Let me tell you this, you can make a lot of these videos. Keep it. When you are ready, you can now edit them together and then post, instead of waiting when you are ready, and before you are ready it will now be paid. So it's better that you generate everything right now, make it a video, follow these practical steps, and then keep it. When you are ready, even if it's now, when you are ready, even if the free ones has been rolled out, you can still post your own videos. All right. So with this being said, let me show you exactly how to use this free tool. Let's go. So to make your images to talk for free, this AI tool will lip sync, will make it talk perfectly, just like the one I showed you at the beginning of this video. So first thing first, we have to go to ChatGPT to get our AI image, which we will make to talk. So right here, I will use the voice note to say, okay, so I want you to generate a prompt for me. This is the prompt right here. You can generate this image anywhere, but note that if it's too long, you can tell ChatGPT to make it shorter and still retain the details, because some AI tools will cut the prompt when you paste it. It will not contain this whole long prompt from ChatGPT, which will make it difficult for you to get the exact prompt. That is why some of you will come back and say, "Success, I wasn't able to generate a good image." So I'll just copy, hit these two lines right here. This is it right here. Just click here. You see ChatGPT images. Then you paste your prompt right here. So with this right now, ChatGPT will give you exactly what you want. So this is the prompt right here. If you need this, you can screenshot it right now, then add few things to it. Maybe I'll drop the prompt in the description box. Alright, so our image is here. This is a quick tip. Whenever you are generating image to lip sync, make sure that the image is facing the camera, whether it's a dialogue scene or just a one scene. Make sure that it is facing, face of the person is facing the camera, just like this. All right, so I'll simply save. Image is saved. So now that we have our images, let's make it talk. So to make your AI image or your own image, you can use your own image, your own picture, right? Because I received questions, can I use my own picture? Yes. So to make your image or your AI image to lip sync perfectly whatever you want, simply head over to your browser right here. Here you type lip sync. Once you type lip sync, you see this lipsync.ai. This is it right here. Let me zoom. This is it right here, right? Lip sync video. That is lipsync.video, alright? So you click on it. Alright, so here all you need to do is to tap on this talking photo right here. Once you click on this talking photo, you have these options. This is how the interface looks like. Alright, it's beautiful, right? Very clean and very straightforward. And if you come down, you see the instructions. You first upload a portrait, add audio or script, and then generate and download. Alright, but first, before we do this, you will sign in, because right now I have 0 credit and I need credits to generate my image. So I will click on sign in, that is at the top right here. Now I will add my Gmail so I can be able to claim these 50 plus free credits today. Alright, as you can see, as a new user, you can claim 50 plus credits, right? Free credits. So I will just sign in right now so I can claim my own and use it to generate video that is talking and lip syncing perfectly. I just signed in right now. So next thing you need to do is to select your avatar, which is the image that you want to generate. Alright, so click on this upload photo right here. Photo library, take photo, just simply choose photo library so you can be able to select it from your phone gallery. All right, I'll simply click on photo library and upload my image right now. So the image is uploading. I'll just wait for it. You don't need to rush, right? Just calm down, it doesn't take time. So here is the AI image. So next is to add our voice. What do you want this image to say? And I've been getting comments on how to do dialogue scene, that is when two people are talking in one image or when three persons are talking in the same image. I don't know if you would love to learn that. So if yes, simply comment dialogue in the comment section and I will sure teach you how to do that for free. But if not, I'll assume you don't want to learn how to do dialogue scenes and I will just forget about that. So you can write right here what you want the image to say, or you can simply click on upload audio right here. Upload any audio that is inside your phone. Okay, you can record your voice. In the last video I taught you how to record your voice, all right? Or also you can get any audio that you want it to lip sync in your phone, or you can simply record right here. Click on this and record your voice. This is the perfect one that you can try, all right? But for me, I will not be trying this for now, but you can just click on it and speak. But I don't want, right? So I'll just go back. Right now I'll just choose to impute text. So as you can see, you can use your voice right here. You can still add audio and you can still add text. I'll simply say, hello everyone, the man on fire. So with this right now, the longer your prompt, the more credit that it will take. Okay, there are so many voice options right here. This is the trustworthy man by default. I'll click on this arrow and you can see there are a whole lot of them, the calm woman and the rest. It's a man that I'm generating, so I will simply leave it at this trustworthy man. All right, then I'll go back. Now that everything is set, this is how the interface looks like. The image, your audio or your text, you can write as long as you want, right? You can write more, but for me this is what I have for now. All right, so right now this is it. Right now I'll hit on the generate here. My image is now generating. All right, see it right here. And the good thing is that it doesn't take much time. Just as Grok, this is fast, all right? And you can extend it to as long as you want. Just make sure that you have enough credits, all right? So with that 50 credit, you can generate a very long video. All you need to do is to make your test, which is the test right here, to be as long as possible, or your audio or the the voice that you recorded, right? It has 3 sections, so that is all you need to do and it would make it talk as long as you want. It's better than the rest that you have tried so far. That is very short. This one is very long, so make sure you have enough credit. As you can see, it's almost done. So right now, let's wait a little more and check it out. I can't wait to see what it generated and to also show you how it looks like. I mean, with just free credits, you can make your AI image or your own image to talk. This is amazing. So let's give it a little time. Of course, you don't need to cut. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for it. All right. So right now, our video is here. Let me put it to loudspeaker so you can be able to hear it very well. So let me play. This is it right here. Let me play so we can see how well lipsync.video did.
Hello everyone, I am Success, the man on fire.
I don't know why this is just this way. Let me zoom out so I can be able. Okay, so let's see it.
Hello everyone, I am Success, the man on fire.
I don't know why this is doing this way.
Hello everyone, I am Success, the man on fire.
I have to download it and then play it for us to see. All right, so to download your video, simply click on these 3 dots right here. You see download, playback, picture to picture. That is, if you want to view this video in picture form, right? But for me, I just want to download, right? I don't know why it doesn't want me to see it from here. So file downloaded. Let me open it right now and then play it so we can see what we generated.
Hello everyone, I am Success, the man on fire.
As you can see, it is moving his hands. I didn't ask him to move his hands, but it's animated it and it is moving, talking and doing everything. So you can use this for your folktale channels, for your faceless videos, and for yourself, for your business, and for anything. All right, I don't know what you think about this, because for me, I don't want to express how it is, because just, having to move its hands and do everything just like a human being is beautiful. All right, imagine if you added your own voice, that if you're a man, you added your man voice, or if you're a woman and you used a woman image. All right, if you're a woman, you generated an email of a woman, or you used your own image and made it talk. Nobody will know that this is not a human being talking, or that this is not you talking. So right now, I would love you to rate lipsync.ai from 10 to 100. Is it 90% okay? What do you think? Because for me, I'll be giving this 1000 over 100, because it is free and still can be able to do something like this, that can move its body, make hand gestures, and still lip sync perfectly. So rate it from 10 to 100 in the comment section. And now you have everything that you need to start your faceless channel. So use this free tool and start today. Now you know how to create free AI video from scratch. I know you enjoyed this video and you love to see me in the next one. So like this video and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first persons to see my video once it drops. I am Success and I wish you success. I'll see you soon. Bye.